Hello, Fabulous Fifth. I miss you. Welcome to Distance Learning Week. I think this is our third rotation. So we're going to be going from 5 days. So it will start on Monday and end on Friday. So this week we're going to be working on our Genius Hour presentations and getting them video and uploaded online. And the whole week is going to be built around helping you learn how to do that and getting comfortable with that process. So this week I've divided this up into 3 sections. Lesson 1 is watching this video and getting the clues. There's 4 clues in this video, and if you watch the video, jot down the clues, and then take the quiz, you should just be fine. So that's the first lesson. Lesson 2 in this week is practice. So practice, we all like to practice things that we're uncomfortable with. And Flipgrid is something that some of you have used a lot and some of you have never used. I had never used it before, but I did practice as a student and I found it to be really intuitive or kind of easy to understand and use. So I hope you find it to be the same way. It works much like taking a screencast, like what I'm doing now, so I can share my screen or I can actually also share my desktop or what is on my, well, share my screen or take a video. So you can see here how I have the week laid out. You can see lesson 1 is just listening to this video and then taking this quiz. And then lesson 2 right here is practicing Flipgrid. And all you do is you'll click here and see your lesson. And then this link takes you right to Flipgrid. You'll log in with Google. And you will practice, you get to practice Flipgrid. So here it tells you a little bit about what I'm asking you to do, and there's a tutorial for learning how to share your screen. And I did this, the video is actually a little corny because I was learning how to do it and decided to make it imperfect because, you know, that's just how we are. So this is lesson 2, practice. And your third, hang on, your first clue is Flipgrid. First clue is Flipgrid. And then your second clue, practice. Practice is super important so that we'll be a little bit more comfortable when it's time to do our presentation. So the practice is due Wednesday morning at 8. And I think that that'll really help you. I hope it does. Lesson 3, let's go back and I will show you. Lesson 3 is basically the same setup. It's just a link. There, close. Just a link. So lesson 3 is due Friday at 4, and it's just a link that is going to again take you to Flipgrid. We'll take you to a different one. Again, you'll log in with Google. And it will take you to Genius Hour presentations. And you'll click the giant plus button and begin recording. So I can't wait to see these. I'm really excited. Let me find my, there you are. Okay, so your third clue is screen share. This is a feature that is going to allow you to share your screen on Flipgrid, and I want you to practice that. You know, I want you to practice that. And then my final clue is something that y'all been doing a great job of, and that's communicating. So communicate. I want you to continue to communicate with me. If you can't get your lessons done on time, I want you to let me know. If you have any questions, I want you to let me know. There's a variety of ways you can communicate with me, either by getting your lessons done on time, communicating, emailing me, and letting me know that you can't, just so I know what's going on and I don't worry about you. Again, so lesson 1 is taking the quiz about these 4 clues. Lesson 2 is practicing Flipgrid. Short, quick, easy, practice that screen share. And then lesson 3 is doing your final presentation. And some of you have said that you think your videos are going to last a little bit longer than 4 minutes. I think that's okay. I'm not going to be really strict here, but I just remember that you have an audience, and that's generally like a nice amount of time. Some of you already told me yours are going to be long, and I am allowing for that time. You can take a little extra time if you need to. So let me know if you have any questions. I can't wait to see you this week on Zoom.